If you're trying to print a document in Windows and a stock document is preventing the remaining documents in the queue from printing, this can be pretty frustrating. So if you also have the same problem, here are some troubleshooting steps for you. So first up, turn off your printer from the printer itself and make sure the power cords are properly inserted and into the printer or USB port on your computer. Now sometimes, this will clear up the problem without any other adjustments being made. But if that method did not work, search for Computer Management, click for Services and Applications, then choose Services, scroll down, and then find Print Spooler from the list of services. Now you have to right-click on the Properties option and click the Stop option. Now once you have stopped the printer spooler, you may want to leave the window open, then open this location in the Windows Explorer, delete all the documents that exist, then after deleting, start the Print Spooler service again, then click OK, then restart the computer. Now after all of that process, rerun a test printable document. Now that's how easy you can delete a stock print job from the print queue in Windows Computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.